Lakhichand Rathod. Today I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the great ruler and brave warrior. He was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. His father name was Shahaji Bhosle and his mother name was Jijabai. He was the founder of Maratha Empire and he always believed on equality and justice. He is dead on 19 February 1630, 13 April 1680 at Raigad Fort. And lastly, I want to say, हवा वेगाने न होती हवेपेक्षाही त्यांचा वेग होता. हवा वेगाने न होती हवेपेक्षाही त्यांचा वेग होता. अन्यायाविरुद्ध लढण्याचा इरादा त्यांचा नेक होता. अन्यायाविरुद्ध लढण्याचा इरादा त्यांचा नेक होता. असा जिजाऊंचा शिवबा लाखात नाही तर जगात एक होता.